Friends, I welcome you because I have no more time. That only I make video in 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. So today my topic, especially topic will be, yeah, that my topic will be about Independence Day. Yeah, that what kind of is celebrated the Independence Day, I will tell about that today. So if already you know that I can't fluently and my English is this time is solo and my English is not good. So can you mistake? Yeah. So today I'm studying about the essay. The Independence Day is our country for very important festival. This is called the national festival. Yeah. This is not in religion by festival. This is national festival. So all person should celebrate this festival. Yeah, first of all. But I would say that the Independence Day, all person is important because that this day our country is free. Our country is free. That in 2 years ago, yeah, 200 years ago, 200 years ago, the British, yeah, the British person, the Englishman person ruled here, ruled our country about 200 years. So in about many times our leader tried for freedom my country, but in many times failed. And at least 1947 our country is free. Yeah. So in this day all school, all college, all post office is closed because this is parliament, the government said that this day all office, all school, college will be closed. Yeah. In this day, in when in the morning, first of all, in Delhi, Prime Minister hoist, hoist the flag in Red Fort. After that, any place is hosted. Yeah. And when in this day, in most of the yeah, in most of the students who wake up in the morning and they wear in clean clothes. They wear clean clothes. After that, all students take one flag in the hand. After that, every place, every round that in says thanks the big leader, that who leader is freedom this country, and all students say again by again thanks. So I would say that this day is very important day because that in this day is my country is free. After that, when they come from school and we say that please all children gather and all students as hand the flag and students any students national song sings after any teacher is speech, that after that the teacher is distributed any the teacher distributed any to collect that. So I know also that in today I told about the Independence Day. In this speech happened many mistakes. I know also, but I accept in who person will say that you mistake many mistake translate. I agree, but please you tell me in like this I will not speak. I will learn my English. So let it wrong, let it mistake, no problem. But I have to speak, then have to speak. Yeah, whatever the what not. So friends, in today my topic was in the Independence Day. In about I did not I did not able to more long I did not able to say long essays because this time I have no my mind has no in whatever matter my minds come I spoken. So friends in like this I practice that in who person will watch my video that for that we want of life. In daily like this practice, friends, in first of all three things you have to do in listening, speaking, and reading. In three things is very important thing. Yeah. In three things you have to do. Otherwise you can't learn English. Yeah. Unless you will not do three things, you will not listening. If you will not if you will not listen, if you will not practice, if you will not reading, you can't learn English. So daily by daily you have to listen, you have to read, you have to practice. Yeah. Then you have to do three things. Also, as far as your minds come to knowledge, I am saying you, in some time can be mistake. Sometimes can be mistake. For that, you don't worry. Yeah. In solo by solo, in one day, your mind will come. And sometimes it's happened that you know which is you want to speak, you can't speak that. Yeah. In this time will be happen. This time will be happen. But because in many person like this is happen in this era is very dangerous thing. In this time already you know that in all going on going all is coronavirus. Yeah, the coronavirus is very dangerous thing. In we should save if all person should be distance each other and you have to say that as far as my mind come to knowledge, I am saying you that please you said from this disease. This disease is very dangerous thing. Friends, today my mind is not well and my mind is not fine. My mind is not clear, so I am not I will not speak more. So please in any translate any speech will be mistake please you want to apply.